My name's Dione, and I am from Grand Rapids, Michigan. I am new to the Westside Auto Group, mainly because they bought a location in the downtown Grand Rapids area. I'd gone to the previous owners, and I wasn't really impressed. So I figured I'd give the new people a try, and I was glad I did. They worked on my baby. I've got a 20-year-old vehicle. They came to my rescue when it wouldn't start. They gave me some advice first and told me, hey, you might want to try this. And when that didn't work, I said, okay, I'm taking it to the people who can do it. And they got it running within a day. I'm a car guy who has not a lot of time to mess with my cars right now. I really feel bad about it. So I have to bring it to someone that I trust. From management to the mechanics, they are a very well-rounded group of people. They're reasonable, honest, they're very people-oriented. There's somebody you can trust with your car. I feel great because they go over it with me. They don't just say, here's your keys, let's go. They show me what they've done and what I'm paying for. They're local, and I like dealing with local establishments. They open Monday through Friday at that location. I take it to them. They give me a timeline. They stick to it. You can't ask for anything more. Anything that you love that has four wheels, take it to them.